we decided to take a little trip to Bridgeport, Texas. They've got a little local off-road park there, Bridgeport OHV. It's really good. It's good for the area. It's a good quick little drive, about an hour and a half. It's not a real big park. It's got some really cool obstacles, some short trails with some technical obstacles that are pretty good. So we decided to do that, had a good time, had to spend some good time with the family, have some fun, continue testing out the RZR. So in typical fashion, always having fun, and of course being safe. I had a little too much fun and accidentally tipped the RZR over.
Oh, he's rolling! Everybody okay?
My son, you ran? Is he okay? Oh my God.
A little bit of road rash on the cage and one of the doors, which really isn't too big of a deal. We have an upcoming video where we'll be replacing the doors with something more race appropriate.
He's bleeding, but he's good. Son, you okay?
Yeah, I'm right.
Promise?
But all in all, everything was fine. We walked away with a good laugh and a good memory.